Welcome to today's advanced SMP training session where we'll explore the art of camouflaging scars. Before we dive into these advanced techniques, it's crucial to understand the fundamentals of blending into the existing hair and creating a seamless appearance. This foundation is key to achieving natural-looking results, especially when working around scars. First, let's discuss blending within the existing hair, a process that hinges on three main factors: volume, spacing, and deposit size. Understanding and mastering these elements allow us to mimic the natural follicular pattern of our clients. Volume refers to the number of pigment deposits required in a specific area. Spacing is about the density of hair, how close or far apart each hair follicle sits. Deposit size is crucial. This precision in matching the follicle size is essential for seamless integration, especially around scars that are filled with multi-hair strands. As we reach the 50-second mark, we transition to the concept of branching out, an advanced technique that is akin to playing a game of Tetris. In this game, understanding where and how each piece fits is crucial to maintaining accuracy with pigment deposits, mirroring the client's unique follicular pattern. This strategic approach underscores why starting with blending is essential. It kickstarts your muscle memory, training you to emulate the specific patterns needed for consistency across the scalp. In branching out, I begin by envisioning a framework of introducing new deposits, carefully noting the client's blend of single and multi-strand hair follicles. This meticulous observation guides my hand, slowing down the rapid deposits to navigate around hyperpigmented areas, those darker skin tones often resulting from shave burns. In these sensitive zones, I might lessen the pressure or adjust force used, aiming for lighter deposits that better match single strands of hair. Sometimes, I might avoid these areas altogether, prioritizing a gradual buildup in balding areas while seamlessly blending into existing hair and bordering areas. Just like in Tetris, where the right shape and size are essential for clearing lines, the same precision is required in branching out. Each deposit must be thoughtfully placed, considering its impact on the overall appearance.